In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on push notification in Ringcentral. To get started, open the Ringcentral app on your computer. This works the same whether you're using the desktop application or the web version in your browser. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon, usually found in the left navigation panel. That's the settings menu, where you control how the app behaves and how it alerts you. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Notifications and Audio. Depending on your version, it might be named something very similar, like Notifications and Sounds. This is the area that lets you choose what kinds of alerts you receive and how you receive them, visually and audibly. First, turn on desktop notifications. This ensures you'll get pop-up alerts even when Ringcentral isn't the active window, so if you're working in another app or browsing the web, you won't miss important updates. If you're using Ringcentral in a browser, you may see a prompt asking you to allow notifications. Go ahead and approve that. If you don't see alerts after enabling them, check your computer's notification settings to confirm that notifications are allowed for Ringcentral, and make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are turned off. Next, choose the specific alert types that matter to you. You can enable notifications for new messages so you're notified when conversations update. Turn on incoming call alerts if you want a banner that lets you answer or decline right away. It's also helpful to enable missed calls and voicemails so you're notified when you couldn't pick up and can return the call promptly. If your team uses mentions in messages, enable mentions so you're alerted whenever you're tagged directly. These toggles let you tailor the experience so you get signal without noise. While you're in the same panel, you can optionally adjust sound settings. Pick a notification sound you can recognize quickly and set the volume to a comfortable level. If you use a headset or external speakers, make sure the correct output device is selected so you actually hear the alerts. That's it. Open the app, head to Settings, select Notifications and Audio, enable desktop notifications, choose the alert types you want, and adjust sounds if needed. With these settings in place, you'll stay on top of messages, calls, and mentions without constantly checking the app.